Yes, I'm recording the heat lightning. I'm bored. Yeah, people will see the heat lightning. They just won't see the clouds. It's dark out. Oops.
Later, you know.
Look at the pretty lightning. I'm so putting this on my YouTube channel. Psst. Yes, putting this. Yes, this is going on my YouTube channel. My awesome YouTube channel. The people love my videos. I feel so appreciated. It really made me happy. Somebody loves my videos. They didn't call them crap. Michael is part of why most of the videos are hilarious. Because he acts so dumb. This one video, he was playing Minecraft. And he did not know I was recording him. Because he was being really mean to his friends. As he usually is. So I was recording him. To show how mean he is. And then Thomas opens the door and starts making me laugh. And Michael thought I was laughing at him. No, I was laughing at Thomas. Until he turned around and saw me recording him. And he told me to stop. I'm like, idiot. Look at the pretty heat lightning. And the evil woman who lives across from us. What?
Yeah, now let it.
That's why I switched into my jogging pants. No mosquitoes can get me. Did you bring pajamas?
Yeah.
Okay. And also, when you... Oh, crap. Oh, there's a plane flying by. I can't see the plane, but there's a plane flying by. Not a car going by. When I grow up, I'm so moving out of, like, away from cornfields. It looks yellow and then it turns pink. Turns different colors. Right now, if my mom was home, she'd probably yell at me and tell me to go to bed.
Are you still recording?
Yes. A little bit longer, and then I'm going to stop. All the darkness of Preston, Maryland. What? What'd you say? This, I don't know if I'm going to put on YouTube. I said I might put on YouTube. Whoa, that was pretty. This little town in the middle of nowhere. Watching heat lightning. Wild cars. No, there's no more cars.
point. The bugs are fighting.